Team. Together each achieves more. When people comes together, they achieves more with respect to when they achieve individuals. When you are together with your team, you can do wonders. When you are with your team, you can achieve anything in your life. It's just the matter of fact when you realize the power of team. Good evening, everyone. I'm Ankit Sharma, working as design engineer at Winsome Express, expert in SolidWorks and affiliate marketer. So today I'm going to share my views on the topic. If you just want to win, go solo. But if you want to dominate, go with team. Yes, you can win any battle in your life, whether you are an individual or you are in a team. You can win at your will. But there are two kind of sports. First, team sport, and second, individual sports. Example, cricket and lawn tennis. In cricket, there is a group of 11 people who plays together to win a single match. And in lawn tennis, one single person plays with another single person to win a particular game. So what's the difference between being in an individual or an team member, or I can say have a team? You all have heard one story, the collection of logs. We can break easily a single piece of wood. We all heard one story that the piece of unity is strength. So let me share that story with you. So what happened? There is a father and have 5 sons. He those sons always fight with each other. So one day their father realized that he need to teach them that unity is strength. So one day what happened? Their father asked all of them to pick up one stick, and after that he asked them to break into two pieces. Breaking one piece of wood is very easy, so they all 5 sons did it very easily. They easily break that piece of wood. But after that their father asked them to pick 5 sticks all together and combine with a piece of thread so that it became a bunch of wood. Now the collection of 5 woods became a bunch of woods, and after that their father asked them to break that bunch. Breaking one single wood is easy, but breaking that combination of wood is not an easy task. So all 5 sons tried one by one to break that bunch, but as we all know, no one got success in that task. After that task, their father taught them that unity is strength. Whenever you are together, you are strength of each others. You can do wonders when you are together, but once you are alone, you can easily defeated. You can easily defeated by others. So you have to be all together to be get success in your life, to be successful person in your life, individuals. So this is the difference between being an individual or being a team member, or I can say have a team, because teams divide your work. It they helps you in your tough time, they motivates you, they encourages you. they help you in your work so that you don't feel burdened under pressure. But in an individual, you are the only one who works for you. So if you want to just win, then go solo. It means to be an individual, you can win anything, but at a particular instant of time. But if you want to go far from that, if you want to cross that plateau point of your career or can say of your life, you need to have a team, the team of best players, the team which helps you, the team which guides you whenever you do some mistakes, the team which motivates you, the team which encourages you. That makes a dominate person. An individual do all thing at his own, but being a team, you just need to focus on your work and the rest will be done by your team. That's the importance of team. Team is the life support of your life. If you do something bad, then they will there to correct you, or I can say they will help to correct that mistake. So always think and always remember, if you just want to win in your life, go solo, being an individual. But if you want to go far, if you want to dominate your life, you need to have a team, the team of winners, the team which helps you to achieve your dreams, and the team you will help them to achieve their dream as well. So remember this, okay? I just want to say this. Have team in your life. Thank you.